Hello guys, so FC Mobile have finally released the link for iOS to download it. So first of all you need is to jump over to your app store and download Test Flight. Before you can download it, you must first of all download this right over here, Test Flight. It is used to test beta versions of apps. So go ahead and just download it and just wait for it to be downloaded. So guys, go over to my Telegram group. I'll link it under the description. I'll post this link. So after you've downloaded the Test Flight app, go over to my Telegram group and click on the link you can see in the Telegram group, and you'll be redirected to the Test Flight app. So you'll be redirected here. All you need is to click on Start Testing right over here. So when you click on Start Testing, click on Allow, Continue right over here, and just wait for everything to be done. So just click on Agree and just click on Accept right over here. So as you can see, we're having EAFC Mobile Beta. So just click on Install and it will start installing for you. Easy as that. Let me know if it works for you under the comment section, and also share this helpful video to your friends, and also make sure to like it right over here so that a whole lot of people can see it. So that is the end of the video.